AI isn't coming, it's already here. But the problem is, most business owners are being fed lies by influencers, software companies, even consultants about what AI can and can't do. And in the middle of all of this noise, people are wasting money, wasting time, and falling behind fast. This video is for business owners, founders, and entrepreneurs who know AI is important but aren't sure what to trust anymore. I'm going to break down the biggest myths surrounding AI automation in 2026 so you can cut through the noise, make smarter decisions, and actually start getting the results with AI that you deserve. Let's get right into it. Myth number 1, you need to be some tech genius to use AI. One of the big ones that I see is that you need to be some kind of machine learning engineer or Python wizard to use the AI in your business. Completely false. Understanding AI isn't your job. Understanding your business is. It's our job to translate your goals into automations, insights, and workflows. We've worked with founders who couldn't even explain what a neural network is, and now they're saving hours per day with AI automations running in the background of their business. AI doesn't need to be complicated, it just needs to be built for you. Myth 2, off-the-shelf tools are good enough. Let's talk about the biggest trap most people fall into. They sign up for the latest AI tool that promises to solve everything. Lead gen, email marketing, data analysis, you name it. But these tools are built for the masses, and your business isn't generic. Your business workflows are not generic. Your problems aren't generic. So you end up trying to force fit your business into somebody else's template. And that's why most AI tools don't deliver what they promise on. What you need instead is a custom-built AI system that is designed around your personal, specific business logic. Not some one-size-fits-all band-aid that kind of works, kind of doesn't tool. So if you're a business owner and some of these points are starting to hit home, just pause for a second. Imagine waking up tomorrow and you have 3 to 4 hours per day freed up, lead gen automated, customer insights being delivered to you in real time. That's what we essentially help clients build. So if you want to explore what that might look like for your business, you can book a clarity call using the link in the description below. But let's move on to myth 3. Myth 3, AI will replace you or your team. One of the biggest fears I hear all the time is, Misha, won't AI replace me or my team? And the answer is no, not unless you're building your company wrong. AI doesn't replace people, it replaces boring, mundane tasks. And when implemented the right way, it actually lets your best people do their best work faster, easier, and with more output. So if you're thinking AI as a cost-cutting tool to eliminate roles, you're missing the real opportunity. The real leverage point is using AI to augment your team. Not to replace them, but to make them 2x, 3x, even 5x more productive. Myth number 4, AI is only for big companies. This one's just pure outdated and dead wrong. We've personally helped over 50 companies now, ranging from very small businesses to enterprise companies, implement AI into their operations. And 10 years ago, sure, AI was only for the Amazons and the Googles of the world, but today, that tech is democratized. The tools, models, and infrastructure that once cost millions are now accessible to anyone smart enough to use them. And in fact, small businesses have more to gain. Why? Because they're agile. They don't have an 18-month decision cycle. They can move fast, test fast, and implement fast. And the ones who move first, they will be the ones who have an unfair advantage over the next 5 to 10 years. Myth number 5, AI delivers instant results. This is where most people fall off. They implement AI expecting overnight magic, but here's the harsh truth. AI is not a slot machine, it's a system. And like any system, it requires input, training, and refinement. So when you implement it properly, it compounds. Day after day, it gets smarter, faster, and more valuable to your business. But you've got to be patient on the output and aggressive with the input. You give it feedback, you improve its prompts, you train its data, and soon enough, you've built a machine that assists your entire team and helps you scale your business efficiently. Myth number 6, you can just wait. Here's the most dangerous myth of all. I'll wait until AI matures a bit. Let me be blunt. This mindset is how businesses die. AI is not in its infancy anymore. It's already being adopted, weaponized, and scaled by your competitors. The window for advantage is closing, and the window for catch-up is opening. In a year or two, automation will be the standard. The difference is those who start now will have the compound advantage. Everyone else will be scrambling just to keep up. If you've been watching this and thinking, okay, this makes sense, but I still don't know where to start, then here's what to do next. Book a free ROI-based clarity call with me and my team where I will personally walk you through a custom AI audit where there's no fluff and show you exactly how AI can be used to save time, increase revenue, and give you that competitive edge based on your business model. Whether you need automation, insight, or optimization, we build systems that actually deliver ROI, and we don't stop until it works. So if you're serious about using AI to scale your business, book that call now using the link below, because the best time to build leverage was last year, but the second best time is today.